Bouygues Telecom Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Bouygues Telecom products are available in the description below. Bouygues Telecom is one of France's major mobile operators, offering a wide range of mobile services tailored to both personal and business customers. Known for its reliable network and competitive pricing, Bouygues Telecom has carved out a strong position in the French market. The operator provides both prepaid and postpaid plans, with a focus on flexible, data-centric options. They also offer bundles that include mobile, broadband and TV services, making it an attractive choice for customers seeking an all-in-one solution. One of Bouygues Telecom's standout features is its robust network coverage, especially in urban areas, where 4G and 5G services are widely available. Their 5G rollout is progressing rapidly, offering faster speeds and reduced latency, which is a significant advantage for users who rely on high-speed data for tasks like gaming, streaming, or remote work. Bouygues Telecom also provides a range of affordable data plans, which are customizable to suit various needs, from casual users to heavy data consumers. The ability to bundle mobile services with home broadband is another strong selling point, making it easy for customers to consolidate their telecom needs with one provider. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. While Bouygues Telecom offers solid coverage in cities, its rural coverage can be hit or miss, particularly for 5G. Additionally, Bouygues Telecom's customer service has received mixed reviews. Some users report long wait times for support, and the quality of service can be inconsistent. Furthermore, while their pricing is competitive, it may not always be the most budget-friendly option, especially when compared to other low-cost carriers. In conclusion, Bouygues Telecom offers excellent value for customers seeking a reliable network, flexible data plans, and the convenience of bundled services. It's a great choice for urban dwellers and those in need of high-speed mobile internet. However, rural customers and those looking for the cheapest plans may want to explore other options. Check out the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.